Walmart fuel discounts only apply when your Walmart membership is active, your account is recognized at the participating fuel station, and the payment process follows Walmart's supported flow. If any one of those steps fails, the discount usually won't appear. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest ways to get your Walmart fuel discount working again, and when the issue is something only Walmart support can fix. Start by confirming that your Walmart membership is active. Open the Walmart app, tap Hokonta, then Walmart Hoya, and make sure your membership hasn't expired or failed to renew. If your membership isn't active, fuel discounts won't apply. Next, verify you're using a participating fuel station. Walmart fuel discounts are only available at eligible locations. If you're at a station that doesn't participate, the app won't recognize the discount even if everything else is working correctly. Now update the Walmart app. Go to the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android, and install any available update. An outdated app can prevent location services, account verification, or fuel station communication from working properly. After updating, completely close the app and reopen it. If that doesn't help, sign out of your Walmart account, then sign back in. This refreshes your account session and often restores Walmart benefits that aren't loading correctly. The next thing to check is your phone's location settings. Walmart uses your location to verify you're at an eligible fuel station. Open your phone's settings, find the Walmart app, and make sure location permission is enabled. If location access is denied, the fuel discount may never activate. Also confirm you have a stable internet connection. Weak cellular service or an unstable public Wi-Fi connection can prevent the app from verifying your membership before payment. If the discount still isn't showing, try restarting your phone. A reboot clears temporary software issues that can interfere with the Walmart app. You should also check whether Walmart is experiencing a temporary service outage. If account services or Walmart systems are having problems, discounts may not apply until the issue is resolved. If you've confirmed your membership is active, you're at a participating station, location services are enabled, and the app is fully updated, contact Walmart customer care through the help section in the app. They can verify your Walmart status, check for account-specific issues, and confirm whether there's a problem with the participating fuel station. The key things to remember are to verify your Walmart membership, use an eligible fuel station, and make sure the app can verify your account and location. Try those steps first before contacting support. If this guide helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick fixes for Walmart app and Walmart problems.